this financial budget of 26 and 27 placed by central government, it is totally full of sound and fury. Totally it's a directionless, visionless, missionless, actionless. Economy is derailed, anti-women, anti-poor, anti-farmers, anti-women, anti-youth, anti-communers, anti-SC, anti-ST, anti-OBC. Education funds, education subsidy declined, social security subsidy declined, fertilizer subsidy declines. It is totally garbage of lies and incompetence, Himalayan incompetence. Totally economy is derailed. Now, you will see within this time, the market falls sharply. Sensex down above over 1,100 points. Nifty 50 has been below 25,000. So you can realize there is a proverb in Bengali, chorer maye boro gola, ইংরেজিতে বলে চোর কি মাই জোরসে বলে, mother of thieves are soundless, mother of thieves are soundless.